What up, y'all? Today what we're gonna do is install a it's like an extended short shifter and a new shift knob. Alright, so guys, the extended short shifter came with these adapter pieces. Guessing this part threads in here. There's three, I'm guessing for the size of your shifter right now. They don't have any threads inside, so I'm guessing once you put it in and re-thread it in here, it'll create the thread. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is take off the shift knob currently now from the shifter. Bam. And putting that in, I guess. Put that in. Alright, so I'm not too sure which way this goes, front or back, but I'm going with the back. It looks better instead of something just popping out this way. It'll be this way, and plus I can just grab it. It does have these little Allen key things, which it did come with in the box. Then if you hear noises in the back, it's the rain. It started raining. I just moved to a new place, apartment, so gotta do my work outside in the parking lot area now. Alright. You can adjust these as well, how high you want this, how short you want this. I think I'm gonna keep it right there because so far I like it like that. I like it like that. Hey, hey. Alright. Alright, so next up is the shift knob. So it comes with this little adapter piece here. For some reason I can't take it out right now, but you could probably do it with like a plier or something. And it also came with a nut. And that's to put it on there just in case. Make it secure, and sometimes it doesn't want to sit all the way straight. Like you have it like this. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And reverse, and it's looking straight. But sometimes it's like this or like this. And the nut would probably help. I always put it upside down because this part right here sits flush with the bottom of the knob, and it just looks better. So hopefully it'll look good. All you gotta do is just twist it on all the way. See, that's what I was talking about, going sideways. So let's try to do it without the nut on there, so the nut's not all the way down. Cool. Works for me. Straight now. The nut's like a washer, stops it. I just gotta tighten it up a little bit. And that's it, y'all. Bam. Alright, so boom. All secure. Not going nowhere. I like it because I can just drive. Boom. Grab it right there instead of going down there. However, I'm going to change my shifter sometimes later. I'll get a short shifter. I'll go like down here or something, like a shorter one, and then use this up here so the throw will still be short. Like boom, if you hear it. Yeah, nice. Boom, boom. Alright, so that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you install it. It's pretty simple. You don't even really need any tools unless you want to tighten up that nut really fast, like secure. Right now I'm not caring for it because I'm not going to drive the car yet, just because it's raining and I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. So yeah, yeah, just chill. It's easy, fast, simple. Something to make your car look better, feel better, and easier on the hand. You don't have to throw your arm down there. You just rest it on the armrest and just pow over. Yeah. Alright guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button, comment on it, and subscribe. Right now I'm at like 56 I think subscriber. My goal is trying to get 100 and then 200 and so forth, so on. Hopefully I can get there soon. Thanks guys. Peace.